Welcome to 9415 Casa Bella Court. This beautifully upgraded 3-bedroom, 3-bath is located in the highly desirable villas at Montecito. It truly is just a putt or two from Chalk Mountain Golf Course. Located in the heart of the Central Coast wine country, and only 15 minutes from San Luis Obispo, Cal Poly, and the Scenic Coast. The open floor plan lends itself well to entertaining guests, or just relaxing with family. The natural light that shines throughout is so bright and inviting. The upgraded kitchen and appliances are a gourmet chef's delight. Granite countertops, double ovens, an induction stove, microwave, and an oversized Crete farmhouse sink with an upgraded faucet and pull-down sprayer. The pantry is ample-sized, and lots of cabinets for storage in the kitchen. The flow from kitchen to great room is a big bonus. The cook is never out of the conversation, and always part of the party. The master bedroom suite is spacious with walk-in closet, jetted tub and shower. Each additional bedroom has adjoining bathrooms, with one bedroom on the first level. There is also an office and indoor laundry area. The backyard and patio deck area are truly a plus. This lovely space is fenced and nestled up against a large greenbelt area, so nothing will ever obstruct the beautiful views. Call and schedule an appointment to see this fabulous property. Thank you for taking our virtual tour. Have a nice day.